Want to check your Apple Watch's battery health? By watching this tutorial, you'll know if your battery is performing optimally. In this video, I'll show you how to check your Apple Watch's battery health. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Battery. Scroll down a bit. Here you will find the battery health option. Tap on it. If you scroll down more, here you will find the maximum capacity percentage. This number indicates the current battery capacity of your Apple Watch compared to when it was new. 100% indicates that your battery is performing as new. The Apple considers a battery that has declined to less than 80% of its original capacity as consumed, and you might notice reduced battery life. And that's it. This is how you can check your Apple Watch's battery health. Hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have anything to ask, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Goodbye.